Hello, VOD watchers. What is up? I turn this down, turn this up. Okay, go here. Doot. All right, let's see if we can finish this PR. Okay. Oh, I was in the middle of writing this, so. Yo, what up, William and Phasma? Hey, everybody. How's it going today? Did I answer all the other comments? Oh, awesome. I'm glad you like it, William. Kev Lee, what's up? Okay, I did that. I did all those. Answered all the other questions here. I also do kind of want to just get this other one merged. We could quick check that as well. What did I call this branch? How's everybody doing today? You guys having a good day? Am I peaking a little bit? Maybe I'll turn myself down slightly. That's weird. Oh, right. I don't actually want to do that. My J just started, but so far so good. Awesome. Awesome. That's good. I'm glad it's good so far. Okay, so I think all of that should be fine. And so let's just add this. Kevly, where are you at that your day's just starting? You don't have to say exactly. Just, you know what I mean? What time zone are you in? PST. Oh, interesting. Okay, gotcha. Very nice. We should clean up some of these queries probably. Okay, those all look good. Okay, we should go to here. Go highlights. Alright, so this one's fine. It's got us to do already. One's already done. That one's also already done. Do I need to do identifier.function? SG tree sitter. What about just function? I don't think I should have both of these. Seems weird to have both of these. The day has just started out here when I slip into the tub at 8 p.m. Time zones are crazy, man. And stinking daylight savings time, chat. Huh. I don't have another one that's just function. Do we have function not built in? No, we don't have that either. Huh. Does this change this? What's up, Tokyo? Good to see you. Good to see you. Okay, so that works. So why isn't it that when I make this identifier.function and I rebuild this, I feel like that should work. Okay. Identifier.function. So then when I take this out, oh, it probably changes it for C#. Oh no, okay, we're good. I think this should also be C#. Highlights. Well, we should just choose one. I think maybe we should just say doing stuff in the background as usual. Excellent, excellent. That's good to hear. Identifier.function, or should we just say function? It's kind of useless to have identifier.function. Just change this to function, I think. Identifier.function. Okay, so that's good. So I should be able to do a cargo test here. And these should still pass. Doesn't matter that we change the names. Wonderful. Okay. Yeah, we don't need this. To do, we need to implement any of or supply something else for these. I wonder if I could just do or find some other way to specify this. Epic. If tests don't pass when you change the names, it's time to delete some code. What do you mean? No, they should. I deleted two things. I condensed them down to one. There were two names. We condensed them down to one. They resolved to the same thing. We also don't have any of this. Doesn't exist. Tests don't pass, it's time to delete some tests. Now that is a saying we can all get behind, I think. That is a saying we can all get behind. We have equals. We have match. Set is or is not. So can I say go queries? I think I can change this to be match type dot built in. I do this, but then instead of doing this here, I can do space. Whoops. Now let's just see if we can make this work. Does this even compile? Okay, cool. So what happens if I actually call this in one of the examples? Do I have oh shoot, what was it again? What did I say was built in? Bool. Rune string. Metaprogramming is nice, but it's also confusing. Indeed, that can be the case. Snapshots. New golang hl.go. Ever heard of Scheme? That's what we're using. Oh, that's not an OS. What? Why would you respond to that as OS? Bang OS is what you're looking for. So this should be function, but so then the question is, okay, do we have highlights go here? Okay, type dot built in. Oh, but these are all these are all types dot built in. Type dot built in. Right. Okay, so this isn't even the right thing. I want to do something like func example x int example 5. So this should be identifier type, but let's go to SG tree sitter and let's check type dot built in. Built-in type here. Oh, generally we've got a Pop OS user. Yes, that's true. I'm a Pop OS user. That is true. Var. Identifier type. Identifier built-in type. I guess that makes sense. Shouldn't var be keyword? That's for C#. I don't know. I'm not super worried about that one. This one's fine. This one's fine. Crates. Actually, syntax. Why? When does work? This or 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 this? Is this not the way that I would write this? Match? 430? I don't know. Because I thought it would put this. Oh, it does have identifier built-in type here now. Oh, did I just miss it before? My parameter, identifier built-in type. Yeah, that's good. That's what we wanted. Interesting. Okay, I think that's basically all the ones that I wanted to check. I guess given this, we can probably do the same thing here. Because we can, change this to be like this, I guess. And then let's do S.
Up Davies just resubscribed for 4 months.
4 months of subbing. Thank you. Appreciate it. And then let's do this, and then oops. I can just do this. I don't know what I'm doing. I should have done this as a macro, but honestly I'm a little tired. So macros are not going to be the strong suit today, chat. But that's okay. What's up, Childs? Good to see you. So I must not have any examples of appending something. So var x equals bool true, x equals append x false. Okay, so this here should be identifier function definition, but hopefully let's think about this here. What we want to do is have, oops, I think I accidentally killed that. That's fine. Okay, beep. Instead of, where do we have function.built-in? We should have function.built-in. What were we defining in Go highlights? Function.built-in should be identifier.built-in. That makes sense. Match function.built-in. probably makes sense for it to be a built-in identifier. Built-in. Did I do anything wrong here? No, that looks fine. Oh, wrong spot to run the tests, right. Cargo test, okay. I could run it for the whole workspace, but I don't want to do that actually. So this should be identifier function definition. That's the wrong one. Oh, right. This should be up higher maybe? Wait, why would that one be function definition for append? Do we have append anywhere else? What happens if I move this guy up to the top here for this situation? Whoops. Identifier built-in. Beautiful. So built-in types. I think this should probably go up there too, because those should always match as highest priority. I don't know that that's going to change anything else. So identifier built-in type, perfect. Boolean literal, perfect. Identifier built-in, perfect. Version literal, yep. Nice, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Maybe we should run this one really quick. Golang HL, SG start. Let's do CD Docker images syntax highlighter, cargo watch here. Let's run this as well. Okay. Okay, so this is, we'll just get rid of these so we can finish this PR first. Okay. And then we should have new Sourcegraph test running shortly, and we should be able to check how this looks. How this looks here. So in this PR, first PR, we just gotta finish cleaning up some highlighting stuff here, and then we can merge this in for better highlights. And then once we do that, then we can go back to this one, which allows us to configure how highlighting is done for the first time for Sourcegraph, which is pretty exciting, I think. Did we... Oh, we're almost done. What's up, Stanley? Welcome. Okay, very cool. Let's look at some Go code. Yo, what up, Quad? Good to see you, buddy. Let's look at, we'll just look at here. Look at some Go code inside here. Oops. Sure, highlight Go. Let's do this one. What's up, SEO? You can just call me Teach, would be my preference. Is this... Oh, so I don't think we have these highlighted differently yet. Do we have append anywhere in this file? Ah, we do. We just don't have any special highlights for these, I don't think. Nice, but these are different. I don't know what ways we should highlight these. Maybe I'll just come back to that part later. Yeah. It's a bit sacrilegious for me. I'm not upset with you, but it's just not my style. You could call me the PDE ninja. That would be acceptable. Oh man, my face color is changing like crazy today. Oh, it's killing me. I haven't figured out how to fix this camera. What up, Joker? Okay, so this is actually working pretty good. I'll just bother some people tomorrow. No, it's all working. It's working the way I'm expecting. I just don't know how much I want to bicker about people with colors, basically. Because I didn't like the colors that we had before. But this is also a little busy. So I'm still not sure what to do about that part. Also, why isn't strings highlighted? Strings should be highlighted. Strings.trim suffix. Why would this not be highlighted correctly? This is the wrong highlight here. What does it think that this is? Just identifier, huh? Or row and strings.split. Let's go. Let's check this bad boy out, shall we?
Ember says Cup Off DJ is a good human.
Cup of TJ with the sub. Thank you very much. Twitch Prime. I appreciate that. That's really nice of you. So where do we get strings.split? What does it think this is? It just thinks that this is identifier. That's interesting. Just playground. Import. That won't make that won't make a difference. It's not smart enough for that. I guess it can't know. Yeah, I can't know that this one is a package. That's a bummer. Syntactically, it's not possible to tell that that this strings here, because it could be basically an object or it could be a package. Does Sourcegraph use tree sitter? We will in approximately 1 day, hopefully. Yeah, no, we're not this isn't even in a Go package or anything. LSP's not even running for this file. No, you're good. You're good. No worries, William. Indeed, you can use the code action one, and it works super easily. This is just to test syntax highlighting. Can you cache the packages and check in the cache? That's not a thing for tree sitter to know. We're not writing general language compilers. We're just writing a highlighter, chat. So the question then would be, though, what we could try and do if we go here. So where we've got this here, package identifier. So this is where we normally define this, which works quite well. I wonder if we could just approximate this, though, by saying for things that are not local. Sometimes treaters read a highlighted code. Any suggestions why? That seems impossible to debug from my vantage point. I don't even know what the error or what refuses to highlight even means. So we could do those. I already do have some concept of what locals are. So I wonder if I could do something where we write... we've got something like range clause. Because does it know for when we're doing x strings dot split here? It doesn't know. I mean, we could try and make a guess, right? If we have... So I guess we could just see, right? Function. Oh, we have call expression. Dissolve and in the range clause. What do we have here? Left expression list, call expression. Yep. Function. Selector expression. At select or something like that. So this should get me all these. Like half the code is highlighted, but the other half seems off. I don't know. Yeah, that's a good idea. Reinstalling them could be good, and making sure everything's up to date is good. What's the time there? It is 3:32 p.m. for me. I think. Is that right? Yes, 3:32 p.m. What's up, Karachik? Good to see you. So then we could say, okay, we got the selector expression inside of here. We've got operand, identifier, field identifier. So this should still highlight these. Okay, that part's good. So what if I take this here, and I take this, and we call this at function. So this just highlights, oh, this, I don't know, we could call it parent, or we can just call it operand. Okay, sure. What happens if I take this, we go over to here. I should be able to say if it's not operand. Let's call this package. So this will make lots of stuff break. My boy on EST, indeed. Is this Lisp? It is. It's scheme. Scheme. So strings are split here. So now just nothing gets found here. Oh, because I called this package, but that's not the right thing. It should be module. Variable.module. There we go. So on this test, this will fail again. We should hopefully see that this now says identifier module. The problem is it's always going to show that even when we don't want it to. And so can I do is not. I should be able to say here. That this is not variable.module local. Is that how I do this? Sourcegraph is not local. Is not local. But how do I know which one is the one that I'm is notting? Does Neovim use memory map to load large file chunk or just try load whole file? I think it just loads the whole file. Bad hair day, you caught me. Property identifier bar. I don't know. Here, let's try this one. Let's look at this one. Identifier at name reference call is not local. So that works against this last node, I guess. So do I put this inside of here? No, it's got identifier. It goes after that? Okay. I mean, I guess we could try that, right? I don't know. Does this even compile? I don't know if this will even compile or not. Those tree sitter queries are Sourcegraph. These are not from Sourcegraph. I am searching for them on Sourcegraph though, because it works for code searching. All right, so then we could do this, and then we could make instead some struct type my thing struct. Y my thing y dot do something. This isn't valid go, but that's okay. Hashtag add, indeed. Hashtag add. Why? Oh, beautiful. So let's say we've got this. This should have recompiled. I should be able to go back to here. I should be able to refresh this page, and ideally, oh, magnifique. See this, chat? Since this strings right here is not a local, I basically make a guess that it's probably a package. And I think that'll pretty much... What's the case where this won't work? You define some function outside of this document. Vous parlez François? No, I only know how to say magnifique, and that's all actually. What if it's a class or an object? A struct. So if it's a struct, it won't do that because that's a local. It's defined somewhere here. I think. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Is that a good guess or is it a bad guess? I don't actually know. It looks really good from this here. Although I would have thought that this should also get highlighted that way. I'm missing this one because I didn't do it for... Maybe I should just hold off. Maybe I should just hold off on trying to do that one because that's a more controversial change, I feel. I probably shouldn't spend that much time. Can du tale dansk? No. Like, I know that this should be a package as well. Maybe. This seems too bara svenska. Dude, it would be cool to explore trying to guess whether something is a local or not to use as modules, but let's leave that for smarter parsers than us. I will leave this as an example for later though. Wow, that was close. Acharski? Nachman? Chat, I literally don't know how to say any of the words that I'm saying. I don't know any of the words that you're saying. This is still identifier operator. This is still identifier keyword identifier. I'm sure this is the exact correct pronunciation. Indeed. What's up, Chico? Havars. I can't say it. I don't know how to say it. It's Croatian. In Croatian. Oh. That's pretty cool. Alright, so if we refresh the page, this means we're going to lose those. That's okay, I think. I think it's probably more consistent that way. Maybe I should change this one back to the same highlighting as before. Thanks, SEO. I don't know if I really like this purple. I don't know that I really like this purple very much. I also don't like everything just being blue. Like, I don't like this either. You know? Like, I don't like this. But I also don't know that I love this purple. But I also don't want to spend forever arguing with people about highlight colors. I know. I didn't make the color scheme to start with. And so I don't know what to do about the colors anymore. Like, why does everything have to be blue? Everything's blue. Everything's blue, chat. It hurts. It hurts me. I don't like it. I don't like it, but I don't know how to fix. There's a song about this blueness. I'm blue, da ba da dee da ba da da. Da ba da bee da ba da bop. Bleed blue, indeed. There you go. Okay, well, I like mine way better. But this purple is not right. This purple is just not right, though. Yo, listen, there's a story about a little guy who lives in a blue world all day and all night, and everything he sees is just blue, like him, inside and outside. What? Scoobity bop, scoobity bop, bitty bop, bow. This purple is not right, chat. The existing color scheme sucks. So I'm changing it. Mostly I'm changing it because now I have more information from Tree Sitter than we did before. So I can do cooler stuff. But I don't know what the colors should be. Cool blue color schemes. Coding. I don't know. What do they use for colors? Indeed, I am sitting in front of a green screen. Nord theme. Nord theme. That's true. We're not using enough white. I don't really like Nord that much either. Pop OS. Pog. Slide. Solarized Night. Yes, this is more. This is at least something here. Groovebox. Groovebox would be good. We should get Sourcegraph Groovebox. This picture is cool. That's a cool picture. I like Tokyo Night a lot. Is it blue themed though? It is kind of blue. All right, so what is this doing? Does it have to be blue? I think it has to be blue today, because I don't think people are ready for me to just completely change the entire look of Sourcegraph on a random PR. As much as I would like to. I'm trying not to go completely bonkers. You know what I mean? Like, I'm trying to be within the realm of what we had before. This cyan one is good. This could work maybe. That would be a Chad move, true. You mean no, but I mean I do have a little bit of yellow, right? But not tons. I mean, this one looks okay. I just need a different color for this. I need a different color for fields. Speaking of Nord, have you guys heard of NordVPN? No. Do you have to take accessibility into account? I don't know. It should be, but it doesn't seem like anyone did that before. So I don't know. Everforest. This is not blue. It literally says green based. Chat, what do you not understand about blue? I don't understand how like, I need it to be kind of blue, okay? What's the difference between blue and green anyways? It has a nice blue in it. XD. Tomorrow night coding theme GitHub. This one? That's not a very good example. It says based though. We're probably all colorblind. Yeah. Oh, this, okay. Okay, this one's not bad. Tomorrow night blue. This one right here. Okay. Okay, here's a question, chat. Should I just make these? Should I just make these white? We're not currently using any white anywhere. Should I just make those basically like a white color? Like, should I just make those white? Field. I don't remember what I called these. SG tree sitter. Field. I don't remember what I called them. What did I call them? Methods? No. Burial, render, built-in. Property. And they changed to attribute. Okay. So we're looking for attributes. Make them yellow. That will... No, we can't do yellow. That's already for functions. You've been streaming. Oh my goodness gracious, Chico. What's my topic today? What's my topic? Huh? Wait, I have to... Wait, are you saying I have to sing a song about Sourcegraph? Is that what you're saying? Oh, no. Is there anything more ad themed than this? Chico, you have to tell me, is that what we're singing about? Next, marketing. Oh no, chat, am I gonna get fired for this? Am I gonna get fired? Oh no. Oh no. Will this be on the homepage? Will this be on the homepage?
Okay, here we go. Here we go! Wait, why am I... Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Why am I so high-pitched already? I didn't do this. I didn't do this. Why am I high-pitched?
Why am
I can't figure out how to go back to not high-pitched. Okay, whatever. Here we go. I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay. Hello? Okay. Okay. So, I hear you're all looking for some information. Fortunately, I've got the cure. When you're looking for things about coding, Sourcegraph should be the thing you're loading. We're gonna search for some code. Connect the world's graph. It doesn't even matter what happens next, because if you don't, you'll face my wrath.
Subscribed for 5 months. Just tune in.
Searching through code. We're searching through code. Gonna find everything, even if it's written in notes. Searching through your code base. Doesn't matter what the look is in on your face, cause when you're done you'll be surprised. I don't know what rhymes with surprised. Dang it! If only I had something that could search through words for me and give me back information so quickly. That would have answered my question. Maybe next time. For now, we'll have to suffice with using Sourcegraph and searching through all the codes. This is not an ad. This is not an ad. I'm not paid to answer these questions in this way. This is just my personal opinion, and it does not reflect anything about Sourcegraph. These opinions are... Shoot, thank you. Opinions are my own. They aren't Sourcegraphs, they don't own them. I'm just saying words on a screen for Chico codes. Chico codes. Chico codes. Chico codes.
Hashtag ad.
Oh, what the heck? I don't know. That was not my best one. I wasn't ready. Sorry, chat. There were a few good lines, though. Can I get this as an NFT? Yeah, Chico, I just lost all my viewers. Thanks. Oh, shoot. You know what? I think I needed to pause the music on my other thing because the auto-tune got confused. Cause now it's on this auto-tune. It's jamming the cloud none. Ay, ay, ay. I was not ready, Chico. That was not fair. Dang. Oh, you can't win them all. I'm still practicing. Now you're ready to do it again? Okay, maybe I'll do one more at the end of stream. A 6, nice. Okay. I did feel like I had a few good rhymes. I was trying to go for more rhymes that time, which really sidetracked me. It's hard to do rhymes at the same time as making up a melody. But that's why we practice. That's why we practice every day with a crab rave, you know? From 1 to 100. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's a good one. That's a good one. You got me. You need to pick a horizontal topic. He's really good at those, like sacking of Constantinople. Enders is coming prepared with more historical crab rave songs, I think. $5K more to go. We need to do one about the marimba. I could sing about the marimba. There's Smash. I saw your Smash for basic. Saw your Smash for basic? You mean bash to basics. Got it. Okay, yes. Yes, okay, yes. I'm glad you like them. 5K more to go. Be ready. Uh-oh. Okay, chat, what do we think about just literally doing white for this? I don't think I'm a fan. I don't think I'm a fan. But it does feel less busy, which is good. I do kind of like that here, though. Maybe I should just switch regular identifier to white. Maybe that's what I should do. Let's change this to blue. And HL just identifier. HL typed identifier. We should change this one to white. I think that's more true to this anyways. Well, like, why is everything blue? Absolutely everything is blue. It's like not even worth having highlighting, you know? Wait, did it go already? Or what? Or how slow Neum is, as said in a video. Yeah, that's a true facts there. Did I do something wrong here? HL type identifier. Oh, wait, am I in the light theme one now? I hate this file. Oh, I am in the wrong file. Okay. There we go. Okay, chat. What do we think about this? Too much white now? Honestly, I think I like this better. It's a lot less busy. And then blue actually like stands out, you know? Blue actually like stands out. But it's dumb that these two things are the same color. That's not okay. What were they before? Dark blue. Okay. Our built-in type, dark blue. Whoops. Color themes are ridiculous. More true to the old all blue schema. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, I did too many. Where is identifier attribute? This should just be blue, not dark blue. Right, or I did, it's property, right? Parameter, property, nope, attribute, nice. This should just be blue, like this, I think. And then we'll see how that goes once we load this back up. Oh, but this is weird that these two types are the same now. Type shouldn't just be blue. Type should be something else. Dark blue 2, maybe? There should be... What other dark blues do we have here? We've got dark blue 1, dark blue 2, dark blue 3. Sure, we'll make it type. Let's do... identifier type. Dark blue 2. I mean, you know that you have a problem when you have 4 different dark blues. Okay, that's better. That's good enough for now. Anyone excited about Go 1.18? Yes, it's cool, but you're right, people might write bad code. That's certainly possible to do. Generics can go already? Yeah, in 1.18. This is better. This is better. Maybe this should just be a different blue? I don't know. I hate that we have so many blues. It's freaking killing me. Like, everything here is blue. Why even highlight it? Alright, so what things are HL blue right now? We got these. Yeah, there will be a lot of cases. There will be a lot of really frustrating cases that can be solved by generics. Hey, EBN. We don't care about Emacs. Like, opinions and whatnot here. So, that's okay. You can just keep it to yourself. Just kidding. Love you, buddy. I just want it to look close to what we had before for some things and not overpowering. I don't know. Maybe this is okay. Kind of like that these are highlighted differently. I think I'm just going to stick with this for now. I don't know. I don't know, man. I'll just copy this in and see. Can I get a few more thoughts before I merge in some highlight updates before doing demo day tomorrow? For example, if not white, what color would you want basic identifiers to be here? Currently, our existing color scheme just makes everything blue all the time, no matter what. And it's killing me. This color scheme needs a magenta. It does. It does need... So I had purple going on here for some stuff before, but it's just people aren't ready for that. So I need some more... I need some people to say some things. All right, chat. Light mode for a sec to see how it looks. Well, it's better than it was before. Okay. I said, chat. I gave you a warning. You can close your eyes. It's back now. I said it, chat. Decide on a purple that is actually useful. current purple looks very dull. Chat, that's not on me. That's on you. That's not on me. Did you remove the change you made to the light theme? Well, thinking you're making better theme? Yes, I did. I did. Yeah, chat, you know I have to test both. Like, I can't not test both. Like, what do you want me to do? Yarn run prettier. Oh, is that not it? I don't even know what I'm supposed to run for a bunch of these. A yarn run. What even is it? Yarn run all ES lint. That was the other one. Oh, nice. My coworker Noah says he likes the white. That's good enough for me. Let's just use it. Using a dark theme means you're doing something illegal and hacker mans. True. It's a good point. Okay. Well, while that one's doing stuff that I don't care about, let's quit out of this. Sourcegraph git. Highlighting config. Let's finish this PR. CD delete highlighting config. SG start quoted CD docker images. Cargo watch run this guy. I don't even know if this is doing anything, so I'm just gonna quit that. All right, now we got to finish this side of the code. Different PR, touching some stuff related but not the same. Okay, this one I fixed. Resolve. Okay. Why can't I perform this action? I fixed that as well. I fixed that as well. This one's just not possible to do. Make the white more gray. Okay, this isn't the worst idea. We can come back to this later. But maybe... Oh, well, now we have a completely different code style again. Which is okay. I don't know how to fix that one. I already fixed this, and I fixed this. I fixed that. It's highlights. What did we call other stuff in... Site schema. What do we call this? Experimental features. What else do we call things? Campaigns, rollout windows, disable, enable. Clone repository name, highlights. Do I need to call it highlighting? Syntax highlighting? I guess we could call it highlightings. Greetings is going great, High Priest. How about you? 410. Okay. I've got 30 minutes. I'm gonna stand and we're gonna power through the rest of this here. Oh, let's go, chat. Okay. Using highlighting, syntax highlighting. I'd be fine with calling it syntax highlighting. We're just seeing teach the PDE ninja making cool code. Indeed. Okay. PDE is a video coming out soon. Personalized development environment. Okay. So this schema. This will break everything. So this is highlights. Where do I have this? Oops. Highlights done. Well, actually, no. This is highlights. How do you enable mouse click control and NVIM? Help mouse. Okay, this should be good. Nice. Rename to syntax highlighting. Oh, in Lua. Lua, baby. I want to use Go, but my Python friends tell me I'm dumb. For machine learning or for general stuff? Learning machine learning. I only ask because it sounds like you're learning machine learning. Get new friends. I don't know. Is there actually stuff to do machine learning in Go? I don't know. I'd probably write it in Python. Do. Yeah. I'm not aware of any. Might be a Go wrapper for TensorFlow. Yeah, but it just seems like you'll really be fighting for like no reason. You know, like do you really need to do that? It just feels like you're fighting really hard for no reason. Plus, like, you know, you're just gonna have to do interface X. Like you lose all the type safety for Go anyways. I wonder if I can, I I need to make this a little bit smaller for a little bit, chat, so I can write some code faster. Func test get language from config t star testing dot t. So let's go ahead and do oh, is this not syntax highlighting config? Highlighting config. Wait, where do I have config? Syntax highlight config. Syntax. Let's just make this package here. So what can this have? So I want to do something like extensions, map, string, go, not go. And so then let's do language, get language from config, get language from config, path, example.go. We should. Do you worry someday Vim or even the other editor will become irrelevant and everyone will use that editor from Microsoft? No. I mean, I think like Vim could get irrelevant, but I don't think everyone will be using Microsoft thing at the time. I just actually had a conversation with someone about that today. Not super worried about Microsoft winning it long term. Everyone will be using Emacs. Microsoft Word? No, I think they're talking about Visual Studio. Sorry, Visual Studio Code. I don't know. It doesn't seem to work on stream. I mean, how could it even become popular if that doesn't work? You know what I mean? It just doesn't seem, it doesn't really seem that good. If not found, language not equal to not go, fatal F, expected, not go, got, go test. Oh wait, that's not what I want to do. Command front end internal highlight. National packages. Oh wait, go test command front end. There we go. Sorry. Is Golang a meme? I mean, for some people, sure, maybe, but it also powers a lot of really good companies making really cool products. Should fail now. Okay. Cases. Have you seen NeoVita? Yeah, I've seen it. Java is also not a meme. No. Most of Twitch coders seem to be using it. Sure. Most people 5 years ago or 10 years ago were using something else too. I mean, yeah, you can link. I don't care. Like, I think people are super overestimating how quickly people would switch off of VS if like Zed came along and was successful. I'm not being memey about Zed. I think Zed could be really cool. I don't know if you're being memey about it, Chico. Have you ever tried GoLand? I don't know if I've tried GoLand. But I have tried lots. Like I've tried other JetBrains things and I like them quite a lot. All right, so let's just do this. Let's write this instead. Something like cases of struct config syntax highlighting config. And let's just take this like this. But am I outside of this now? Oh, we also need to probably have a string like input. Did that work? No, that's not right at all. Let's just do type test language test case struct j. Language test case. What am I missing here? Am I missing something here? Why won't this map string path example tested? Oh, duh, because I've just got this sitting here. I'm stupid. That's why I wasn't formatting at all. What's up, Prime? No, lurking because of bad work. Because of, like, my work is bad? Exactly. Yeah, Chico, that's exactly my point. Look how quickly VS became popular. Like, a lot of people, that means those people are willing to switch again, I think. If you use IDs like GoLand, you don't need Sourcegraph. Oh, that's an interesting opinion. Thank you for the information. Biggest problem is that I don't know about that's being the biggest problem, Chico. We'll see what happens though. Spring is like the backbone of the internet. Why does an editor website even have? Why does an editor website even have a login button? What do you mean? I don't understand. How can I become smart like you? You can do like this phrase that I 100% made up myself, and you can find that out on Twitter for sure. You just do time in the go saddle. Yeah, Chico, I know. I wasn't gonna go there. I figure that's totally fine if that's your opinion, but I think you're missing out on something. Oh, why does Zed have a login on their page? So that you can get the beta access. Oh, I can't say case. Test case, right? If not found title should have, I guess we should say found. Test case dot found. Right, we gotta go up to here.
Dota 2 Attitude just resubscribed for 10 months.
But this isn't a
Skill
real
testing
thing.
question. What day is it today?
Found. Got. Expected. Test case dot found. Found. If language not equal to test case not expected language. Okay. All right, this is all bad here, so let's just delete this. What? Oh, how do I even do this again? What's the Boolean type here? How do I do this? %D? %I? %T? Wrong type. Oh, I can just make this string, I guess? Oh, right. Okay, yeah, let's do that. Thank you. Skill testing question. What day is it today? Today's Monday. Monday. It's Monday. Newbie. Yes, load the folder containing all of them. That's okay. If you wanted to talk about them, if you wanted to talk about the benefits and pros and cons in a nice, responsible way on the internet, we could talk about them. But you know, I work for Sourcegraph, and you just came in here and like, your product is useless, right? Like, you understand why that wouldn't be a conversation starter, right? I can see how that would be a trigger starter. Like, I can see why you would try and do that because you think it's funny. But if you want to have a conversation about it, we could have a conversation about it. I didn't know anything about this. That's okay. Got go expected. Oh, this one only gets it from the config, right? Okay, so that means we should expect nothing here. Whoops. Oi. I was just working on some work. I'm just here for productive background talks where I might learn something. Very nice, Southpaw. So if it is today is pi, does it mean that pi equals 14.3 outside the US? That's some big brain thinking, Chico. I'm more productive here than in a gaming stream. That is good. I'm glad about that. I am glad about that. Let's try a pattern, right? So we could say something like config. Highlight config. Extensions. Oops. What do we? Oh yeah, we said that it would be like Scala or something like that. Path. Test.strata. Found. True. Expected. Scala. That's basically the same thing, but it's still good to test to make sure. Got true. Expected. False. Found. True. Strata.scala. Ah. Strato. There we go. Beautiful. What's up, J. Rasmus? What's up, Karf? Sorry, chat. I'm gonna have to be done like somewhat soon in like 15 minutes. By the way, there's no plugin. You can do it with built-in list jars. Oh, chat. Chat. Prime replied to my comment on the YouTubes. He replied to my comment on the YouTubes. How do I create a side project? By the way, if you're not following Prime's alternate channel, you really should follow Prime's alternate channel. But while you're at it, you could like you could go find this and give it a thumbs up. How do I create a side project? Chat, what do you guys think about this comment? I hope this is top comment forever. Drama, new drama coming. Chat, it can't be less than what Prime's pinned one is, okay? Don't let it be so. Don't let it be so, okay? But seriously, if you're not following the side channel, you guys should go follow the side channel. Prime's gonna do some experiments there. Okay, we also got to test pattern. Do you know what grinds my gears? What grinds your gears? I'd be interested to know. Pattern. Let's say something like bash rc. I don't know. regex.must compile. Lang would be bash. Yep, so then path. We could test this with /home/example/ .bashrc. Found, we'd expect that to be true, and expected would be bash. See if that works. Oh, nice, we're good. From Family Guy, I have nothing specific. Nice. Hot takes. People with grinded gears grind my gears. Hey, Quad Stu, does that mean that you're in a self-gear grinding circle? Consider that. Consider that. That sounds like a problem. Sounds like you're in for some trouble there, buddy. Okay, so these all work first try. Very nice. We should probably add something here that doesn't match, just to assert that not matching. This will be just fine. It doesn't matter. Okay, cool. Test language from config. I don't think there's really anything else there for this. That's all good. Oh, we could test something with the engine config too. Where do we actually do stuff for getting the engine? Yeah, my parents were arguing about big or small grocery bags. I pointed out the time change is probably the problem. Smart. I'm gonna go pick the kid earlier today. Other kids. Yeah, that is. I understand. I understand, Chico. See you later. I'm done anyways in 10 minutes. So that's okay. That's okay. I release you. All right. Okay, so that all looks good. I think this all makes sense. There's nothing that exciting here. This is all pretty simple. I don't think we need that. Text and text language will return the language. Override. That was whether or not it was overridden. Whether it was overridden. We'll calculate the syntax engine query from a given path and contents. First, it will determine if there are any configuration overrides, and then if none, return the ONRI backup default language detection. Okay. We did save the daylight. Actually, we're chasing daylight tonight. Dang, we should have been playing that song the whole time. How did I not even think of that, chat? How did I not think to just absolutely blast this song the whole day today? Dang, I'm stupid. I love this song too, so how is it not the first thing that I thought of? Great question. I don't know. I sure do love this song though, chat. Highlight config highlights dot engine dot overrides. Yo, what's up, El Cravo? Surprised they did the time change eve of Pi Day. What? I don't think that's how. I don't think they just like randomly pick one, like it's calculated. You know? They weren't like, oh dang, maybe we'll reroute it for Pi Day. Seems like, I mean, I guess if there ever was a reason to do it, this would be a good reason too. Are we on a giant pie? I don't know. All right, what other to-dos do I have here? Nope, this is fine. This is something to leave for later. Later get an exhaustive list for this or add to documentation. Okay, so this one's good. Maybe we should just push this. Fix up comments and add some tests. And then we should look through our diff to see what we've got going on here. Earth as a why didn't anybody tell me Teachers Online? Exactly, and here's the disappointing part. We're gonna be done in 5 minutes. That estimated pi of 314 decimals. That is quite crazy. All right, so this is good. This is just removing the feature flag that we're not using anymore. That's all of this. Response.html. Highlight code. Yep, because we're just returning strings here. So that's fine. I guess we should technically. All right. GraphQL backend. File. Response dot. Okay, we can go here. If we can just do this. Okay. That's fine. Look up super memory people. They have memorized hundreds of digits of pi and can recite them back in order. That is kind of crazy. Or decks of cards are popular for that. What? What are we? Wait, what? Man, to get a recap of what you did, but you have to explain like it was 5. What did we do? Oh, we just worked on getting more tree sitter highlighting for Sourcegraph. That's it. And we got kind of far. Had a lot of meetings today, which really put a damper on my chances of getting stuff done. GraphQL backend highlights. But that's okay. I don't really know what I'm supposed to do in this situation. Like, should I just air out earlier or what? First day of the sprint? Sourcegraph use tree sitter? It does now. Yeah. I had a few, and I had some random meetings today too. Hey, catch you later, SEL. But we are going to be using tree sitter for highlighting and more. And more. Okay, so this is the only thing. You need to learn about tree sitters. Stuff about incremental parsing sounds interesting. It's very cool. The incremental parsing part isn't as useful for us, but that's okay. How can response be nil? Response can't be nil anymore and have this work. So I guess this like is good though. But seriously, you can apply to Sourcegraph a few times. Yeah, it's a great place to work. Really fun. I really like working there. I would say that even if I wasn't streaming for them right now. But I enjoy it a lot. What do you think about this? I don't know how we would get ill-formed Elsif to here. But I suppose it's possible. Okay. Alright, so that's done. Yep, this one's fine. Nothing exciting happening there. Oh, also, I'm not even sure we've released with this parameter. So the problem is it's over a GraphQL thing. Dota 2. In general, I wouldn't swallow the errors, but I control both sides of the stuff, and I would have errored earlier, is the thing. That's the goofy part about it. Okay, sorry, I gotta go, chat. We've got dinner plans, so I gotta go. Wait, is Seth drum streaming? We should raid Seth. We're gonna raid Seth. Did something sad happen? Yeah, Seth is awesome. I really like Seth. Okay, I gotta go, chat. I hope you have a great day. I'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, me and Seth are brothers as well. I'll be back tomorrow, though, hopefully. Okay. I gotta go. Bye, everybody. See you later.